Molweni bafethu, molweni kayizini. I hope you are enjoying your Friday. Njengoba ke nonke bese nizwile ukubana unumber 5 uMakhwela, she is pregnant. Congratulations to you nkosi yami. Hayi siyabajabulela nkosi yami banomusa. No Baba Mseleko, he's so happy. We saw uMakhwela izolo showing uMacele the pregnancy test nakhona naye uMacele. She was so happy guys. They are all so happy. uMakhwela is overwhelmed. Musa Mseleko is just over the moon. You can see naye uMacele is like, oh yay, a baby in the family, that's wonderful. I guess Umseleko has kahle Umseleko wanted to show uMacele first ngobana he had an agenda that he was fulfilling after uMacele had questioned him ukubana kanene wena, are you still fertile njengoba usitsho ukubana you want unumber 5. So kahle ube siyapha ukuthi I am still fertile. He actually went there ukubana ayephendula umbuzo kaMacele ayembuze wona ukubana are you still fertile, ngoba uMseleko wayethe of course I am. uMacele wathi njani kalokho ngoba I wanna see uMakhumalo pregnant, I want to see uMangwabe pregnant. Like you can't just be saying bana nyani wena you are still fertile. Now he has proven his point ukubana kakade he is still fertile. Hayi siyambongela nkosi yami, siyabulela nyani. Like, you know, babies brings that bond of the family and bind them together. And uze uyasho uMacele ukubana hayi, I hope ukubana it's going to be a boy. So going back ke ngoko, let's hope ukubana uMusa Mseleko is not going to stop indaba ye-IVF kaMakhumalo, because uMakhumalo nyani she really wants babies guys. And ibhlungu le ndaba kaMakhumalo nkosi yami, like it is so painful honestly speaking. We pray, you must pray and bless naye uMakhumalo ukubana so that she holds her own baby nkosi yami. Imagine a little cute mini Mrs. McKay. She's going okanye he's going to look gorgeous nkosi yami. He's going to look just gorgeous. I hope again soon they will start with the IVF kaMakhumalo so that naye nkosi yami ake aphathe yakhe ingane ngezandla zombili, akakhulise umntwana okungowakhe nkosi yami. So yeah, let's hope this excitement is not going to blindfold uMseleko ngendaba ye-IVF kaMakhumalo, because naye uyamdinga umntwana. What do you guys think? Let me know. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.